Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a quick video on how I surface live edge pieces, odd shape. Not overly hard to secure, but sometimes can be. As you can see, I'm just pushing in on, what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 7 points. I couldn't quite reach with the clamp, so I put a board in between. Normally I don't like doing that, but it's not going anywhere. And then how I flatten this is I measure my total length. Try to do this with one hand holding the phone is not easy. All right. So anyway, I measure the total length and I'll give a little bit extra. So I'm going to go 28 and I kind of split that difference from end to end. And half of 28 is 14. Hang on. All right, I made a mark at 14. And then I go the width, I just hit the widest portion of the board. And it looks like right where that clamp hitting is the widest. And right where I'm sitting there. And if I go, to be safe, I'll go 8 inches. I'll split that difference at 4. So I just made an X. That X is where I will zero my cutter. So of course you'll have it in setup set to center, not to your left corner, lower left, whatever, upper left, whatever it may be. All right, so I've got my measurements on the length and the width, and what I do in Carbide Create is just create a rectangle with those two measurements. And then I do a pocket cut, and because I've measured a tiny bit bigger, you really don't have to go over for your pocket, but I do go over usually 1/4 inch on each end in my setup. And then shave it down however low you need to go. Then flip it and repeat. And that's about it. It's pretty simple. Thanks.